Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add multiple photos or videos in one Instagram story. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, slide to the left side option available to navigate to your story, or simply tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the camera icon available in the bottom or photos icon and look for the video you want to upload on your story first of all. After you locate the video, now all you have to do is adjust the video according to your aesthetic preferences by just pinching it and zooming it with your two fingers. After that, tap on the sticker icon available in the top. After you adjust it, tap on the sticker icon. And now inside this sticker icon, tap on the photos option available there. You can see photos option available there. Tap on it and it will take you through your phone photos. Now all you have to do is choose one photo. And again you can resize it according to your aesthetic preferences using your two fingers. Now again go to the sticker icon and repeat the process. And again resize the photo. Now your photo is ready to be uploaded. Simply tap on the your story option available there and it will be uploaded. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.